What's up, everybody? Sam Chlebowski here, one of the co-founders of Motion.io. If you're new to our platform, it's a tool that lets you completely automate the collection of files, forms, feedback, approvals, and even more in white-labeled and login-less client portals. Best yet, all of your client portals sync directly with Motion.io's built-in project management and workflow automation tools, giving you one single home base for all your client work. In this video, I'll explain how client portals work in Motion.io and how you can customize them to perfectly align with your business, your brand, and your unique workflows. Let's go ahead and dive in. Whenever you invite clients to a project, Motion.io will automatically send them access to their portal. The magic links included in project welcome emails, as well as any of the other messages clients might receive, allows them to access their portal in a single click. No account creation or login required. In their client portals, the sidebar on the left allows clients to access the standard pages you choose to display in every portal, as well as project-specific tabs, which they can view by clicking the drop-down to the right of a project's title. Portal pages for home, my tasks, files, and messages are a global setting in Motion.io, meaning if you choose to hide or rename one of them, which I'll show you how to do in a little bit, that change will apply to all clients. Project tabs, on the other hand, are highly customizable. They allow you to embed custom information, links, videos, and even third-party websites or apps that your clients often need to access throughout a project. Now that you understand the basics, let's talk about the different customization options available when setting up your Motion.io account. Our team at Motion.io understands from firsthand experience how important it is that any tool you are using to collaborate with clients is a natural extension of your business and brand. For this reason, when you first sign up for an account, Motion.io prompts you to add things like your business name, logo, and branding, which will be automatically applied to every single portal your clients access. To update this information, as well as access additional customizations for your portals, your account's settings page, which is only available for you and any other team members who have the administrator role, is where you can go to do so. On the branding tab, admins can update their company name, logo, and set a primary brand color used for portals. Directly to the right, the portal tab is where you'll go to make additional customizations like turning off magic links so clients are required to enter a password to access their portal, uploading a custom header image that will be featured at the top of every portal, as well as configuring the default portal pages for home, my tasks, files, and messages. And finally, the domain tab of your account settings is where you can go to modify the domain clients see when they access their portals. When making adjustments to any tab within your settings page, it's important to remember that the changes you make will apply to all clients and all portals. For this reason, the customizations you can make from the settings page are slightly more limited than what you can do with project tabs. Project tabs, which I'll talk about next, give you total control to customize the information clients can access in their portals on an individual or per project basis. To customize the tabs a client will have access to, open a project or template and click Portal from the top navigation menu. The default Welcome tab features boilerplate messaging welcoming the client to their project. You can customize this tab however you'd like, or even delete it entirely. Tasks, which is the other default project tab, is where clients can view and complete tasks related to the project, as well as view a project progress tracker, which automatically updates as a project progresses through the various stages you've set up. Because the Task tab is critical to clients successfully using Motion.io, you can rename this default tab, but you can't delete it. In addition to the two default options, Motion.io allows you to create custom project tabs of your own. To create a project tab, click the Add New button you'll see near the top of the page. The editor that opens provides a number of options for customizing the tab you're creating. After entering a client-facing title, the two optional sections of the editor let you configure that tab however you'd like. The rich text editor in the content section enables you to add static content like text, images, and URLs, while the app embed code section lets you paste in a shareable URL or iframe embed code to give clients access to other websites or software you might be using directly within their portal. After customizing your project tab and choosing an icon to display alongside it, go ahead and click Save. If you'd like to preview how the tab you just created will appear to your client, clicking the Client Portal button in the upper right corner of your screen will allow you to see a preview of how that portal will appear. And so that does it. Hopefully this video provided you with all of the information you need to customize your Motion.io projects and portals to perfectly align with your business, your brand, and your team's internal workflows. That said, if you need help or have questions, our team is always here to help. Get in touch by sending us an email at hello@motion.io or start a support chat by clicking the blue contact widget you'll see in the bottom right-hand corner of your screen.